Exclusive update for you tonight. A win for Rockland County first responders. They've been battling to get information about those so-called red flag addresses, locations where people may be infected or quarantined.
Investigative reporter Sarah Wallace joining us now live from Orangeburg with more on that. Sarah?
Well, David and Stacy, I can tell you that police chiefs throughout Rockland County and town supervisors were actually prepared to go to court to force the county health department to turn over that red flag address information. Ultimately, they didn't have to do that. But this is not a total victory for first responders. From now on, first responders in Rockland County will get a heads up from health officials about known addresses where people may be sick from coronavirus or under mandatory quarantine. It's critical intel.
Because if we go down with the virus, we're just going to keep dwindling the numbers away. And then there's going to be nobody to keep either people safe, respond to emergency calls.
It hasn't been easy getting here. Several sources tell the I-Team County Executive Ed Day was unresponsive to town supervisors for days. On Monday, he promised us an agreement would be worked out soon.
Hopefully within an hour.
Not true. Orangetown Supervisor Teresa Kenny says local officials continue to insist dispatchers and first responders have a right to know details about red flag addresses, not personal patient information.
At first, it was they weren't going to give it to us at all. Then they started where they were going to come once a day and they were going to stand and give it directly to one particular officer. He couldn't make a copy, he couldn't write it down.
A breakthrough under pressure today, although the county health department will only provide the information to law enforcement dispatchers once daily, not in real time and not on weekends.
Right now, if something were to happen that they were to find out somebody tested positive on a Friday night, we're not going to know till Monday. So we have 6 shifts of police officers and ambulance corps that go out over the weekend. So that's something that we're concerned about still.
Orangetown Police Sergeant Carrie Schiller insists knowledge is protection.
We all do have families and friends that live in this community as well as in other locations. And we don't want to be contaminating our own residences, our own families, our children. So we want to make sure we're as protected as we can be while providing care and help for others that need it.
The county executive told us that they were trying to juggle the federal privacy rights or HIPAA rights of patients. You can bet that this address debate, this red flag address debate, is going to be a hot topic not only around our region, but around the country as well. Live from Orangeburg, Sarah Wallace, News 4 New York.
Okay.